Many students experience difficulty learning to read. In fact, year after year, over 1/3 of U.S. fourth graders read below a basic proficiency level. Although reading achievement in Minnesota is typically high overall, the achievement gap between lower and higher performing students continues to increase. In response, Richfield Public Schools and the University of Minnesota began a partnership in 2014 with the goal to improve reading achievement of students in kindergarten through grade 2. The result of this partnership is the Inference Galaxy, a suite of personalized online learning tools that provide inference-making instruction to students in the primary grades. Inference-making is the cornerstone of reading comprehension, as it allows readers to fill in gaps in text that are otherwise left unsaid. By improving inference-making, the Inference Galaxy may also foster students' reading comprehension skills. In our research, we have examined whether scaffolding and feedback support inference-making in students in kindergarten through grade 2. The Inference Galaxy is designed to be used within multi-tiered systems of support that many schools and districts use to accommodate students' learning needs. The Inference Galaxy includes ELSI, a program designed to support core language arts instruction for all kindergarten students in Tier 1, and TELSI, a program designed to provide supplemental intervention for first and second graders at risk for comprehension difficulties at Tier 2. The Inference Galaxy also uses the Minnesota Inference Assessment, or MIA, to screen and monitor progress of students' inference-making skills. ELSI and TELSI both consist of online instructional learning modules. In each module, students watch age-appropriate fiction and nonfiction videos and respond to 5 inferential questions. Students receive scaffolding and feedback in each intervention module. If a student answers a question incorrectly, they receive scaffolding to help them make the inference that will allow them to answer the question. Students then receive a second chance to answer the question, and if they answer incorrectly again, they are provided with the inference they need to get the correct answer. To examine the role of scaffolding and feedback, we evaluated students' performance in the ELSI and TELSI modules. We administered MIA, our researcher-developed measure to measure inference skills, and a standardized language assessment to identify students at risk for comprehension difficulties. Students' performance in the ELSI and TELSI modules indicate that questions with scaffolding can improve their inference making in both fiction and nonfiction genres, including students identified as at risk for comprehension difficulties. These results show that online video instruction can improve students' inference making over time. During COVID, when many students are learning remotely, these findings are especially significant. We are working to scale up the Inference Galaxy to be accessible to schools and districts to use to support students' inference making. Ultimately, our hope is to help close persisting reading achievement gaps so that all learners can experience success in school.